The severe weather system didn't contain significant storm damage to just Iowa. Rain, wind, and hail moved through Minnesota last night, leaving branches, trees, and debris in its wake. Let's take a look here. According to the National Weather Service, wind gusts of up to 60 miles per hour were recorded. You can see the impact of those strong winds here after a massive tree crushed a camper van while also clipping the corner of this home in White Bear Lake. Smaller branches and tree limbs could also be seen lining streets across Ramsey County. This comes after storms on Sunday left thousands of Minnesotans without power and flooded roads. Staying with overnight storm damage in Minnesota, but shifting to Stillwater now. One neighborhood in particular felt the force of 76-mile-an-hour wind gusts. That measurement, of course, coming from the National Weather Service. Today, homeowners have been reporting widespread damage. I think you can see why from these large trees torn from the root and toppled over onto car roofs, homes, and lawns. The NWS says the storm system moved through the west central part of the state around 7:30 last night.